Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant critical error. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution consists of two steps. The first step is to delete and reinstall right Vanguard. Removing Vanguard will not harm the game guys. We will reinstall after removing it. To uninstall right Vanguard, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall your program. In here you just need to search for right Vanguard. Right click on it and select uninstall. Select yes and select yes. Now press in keyboard F5 to refresh this page. Now we have uninstalled right Vanguard guys. To reinstall it, you just need to close it off here and open up Valorant. After opening Valorant, it will be perform a small update. This update will reinstall right Vanguard guys. You just need to select update and we have installed right Vanguard guys. Before opening the game, we need to restart our computer. But before doing this, we need to do one more step guys. The second step is to run Vanguard automatically. To do this, you just need to minimize it and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to search for VGC service and double click on it and set startup type to automatic. And now if the service status is stopped, you just need to select start and now select apply and OK for save changes. We have completed the first solution guys. Now we need to restart our computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to close or uninstall programs that may be preventing Valorant from running. So programs can interfere with Valorant. By closing or removing these programs before entering the game, we can potentially resolve the issue. Some of these programs are Easy Anti-Cheat and Face It Anti-Cheat and Racer Contacts and MSI After Banner and Rivet Tuner and Logitech G-Hub and Blades and Avast Antivirus. If any of these programs are installed on your computer, we need to either close or uninstall them guys. To close these programs, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. You just need to search for the programs or preventing Valorant from running. You just need to right click on it and select end task guys. Do the same thing for all the programs I just told you. After end tasking that programs, Avast cannot be closed directly from the task manager guys. To close Avast, you just need to close it up here and click on this arrow icon over here and right click on the Avast antivirus and select exit guys. And after doing this, if you want to completely remove these programs, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. In here, for example, anti-cheat, you just need to uninstall it. I previously told programs. After uninstalling the programs, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to uninstall and reinstall Valorant. Sometimes issues like this can cause from corrupted game files and a clean installation can resolve the problem. To uninstall it, you just need to go to control panel. Click on open it. Click on uninstall a program. You just need to search for Valorant and right click on it and select uninstall guys. After uninstalling it, you just need to reinstall the Valorant. After reinstalling it, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.